And then just the pole. Definitely seems like there's more and more chairs each time. What do you think?
I think there are more chairs this time.
All right, let's get these little stands in. All right, so what's the first thing we do, Mary Grace?
Power.
That's right. All right. Get our one pigtail. The one pigtail.
Let's see those pigtails.
Downstage right. Down center. Down left. I'm gonna come out of here. And then I'm gonna go into down center. And like a good boy, a safe boy, I'm gonna plug this in first so I don't have a hot end. So we're gonna use these little,
What are those?
the shims to angle the floor monitor up a little bit. The angle they get whenever you stick them down, you have to be further back for it to really hit you in the right spot. We're just too close, small stage. So I'm just gonna do this. And just this little tiny front fill. It's barely on. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I'm gonna move these back here in a second, but next thing, let's do all this. Then, just in case. This is gonna go back to the rack. Beautiful. Okay, looks connected to me. This doesn't always work out like this.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to get the twin cables and stuff.
So you put it down on the floor first.
Yeah, and then I pull up the right side, the correct side. Huh. Nothing. All right, I think it's the cable,
Okay.
which is good. Let's just go get it. Can you go get another one from the car?
Yeah.
No.
You weren't gonna come find me.
I would have gotten annoyed and looked for you.
I know. It's very hot.
Please work. All right, man.
It's annoying how long those speakers take to turn on.
Yeah, it takes a while. All right. This one's on. These are just for the sides. I'll get that later. One. Check to see if it's in pole mode. All right, I'm gonna go get some XLR cables to plug this stuff in. Monitor 1. All right, cool. I didn't test it out on carpet. I think it'll be okay. I am gonna run a monitor too, just in case somebody may want another monitor. It'd be weird, but people are weird sometimes. All right, now I'm gonna go.
Oh, that's monitor 2.
Yes. That we're not gonna be doing, but if someone throws a hissy fit. Front fill. And I'm also gonna put power over here. I don't think he needs it, but you just know, you don't know. That'll be okay. Okay. I'm gonna get this guy in with my little jumper cable. And then, yeah. And the other output may not put. We're just gonna go all the way over. Make it nice and neat. So we can be impressive. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Okay, finally clicked.
Glad you got it.
I was proud of myself.
I just thought you understood.
I mean, I kind of did, but then like visually seeing it this way where it says output.
Yeah, it's a little different.
Oh.
Really, dude?
There you go.
Not how that works, but okay. It's gonna go all the way over here. And then this one's just gonna be for Justin.
I was gonna say
It's better
maybe
when he
you
holds
should
it.
add a Justin mic.
I
Yeah.
have one. Yeah, that's what that is. And I'm also pretty sure that they won't be using my DIs, but that doesn't mean I'm still not gonna throw them out. I don't know about the opener. I'm pretty sure that Zane's not.
He said you had it.
Yeah, which is fine.
Yeah.
What the heck happened? Hey, check, check, check. Hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey. No? Let's lift them up. All right.
We didn't bring that guitar stand with us.
Oh, yeah, the Hercules. Hey, check 1, 2. Hercules,
I
Hercules.
knew that was coming.
Check 1, 2. I have no idea why that's feeding back. Hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Interesting. 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey. Check. What the hell, man?
Is it because of how the floor wedge is placed?
Nah, it's not coming out of the floor wedge. Interesting. I don't know.
Does it have anything to do with the Justin mic?
It does not. Check. Oh, yes, maybe it does. Let's try that again. I think we fixed it, Mary Grace. Mary Grace, you were right.
I was right. I have been right one other time.
Justin, this one's your mic.
Okay.
So just pick it up and talk
Okay.
whenever you're ready.
Then I hired you guys.
We can use it. Then it'll only be you talking into it.
That's fine.
It'll be only your turn.
Yeah, it'll be only yours.
What's different?
Check, check. Whoa. That's quite different. Can you come stand up here? What's the matter? How bright do we usually have this stupid thing? Yeah. How you doing? I'm Connor.
I'm Tim.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Tim.
to meet you too, brother.
Did you bring a DI or anything, or do you?
did, yeah.
Yeah. I think both of you guys probably did. Just this is your line. This number 2 right here. Here, hit me with something. There it is. That looks good. That's in your monitor.
Take it either anymore. I feel you pulling away from my love. 222. Yeah, that feels great.
Awesome. All good, man. Oh, right on time.
Oh
My name's Connor, by the way.
Connor?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm Zane.
Good to meet you, Zane. You got plenty of slack here.
I have a bar stool, Zane, if you want to sit. It's just off to the side, so if you want to sit. If you want to stand, you can stand.
Yeah.
I've got people that are like, oh, do a little both. Okay. Which I made him a QR code for his Venmo. So all I'm doing is going into this Boss tuner and a little EQ.
1176 compression. Y'all good?
Check, 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 hey. Let's hear what it would sound like if you gave me 10% more overall volume on the mic.
Yeah. I got no, I have like dust on my shoes. That's not good. Yeah. Let's go home.